Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about XRP. My friend, that is the latest update of the XRP. In this video I'm talking about the latest situation of the XRP. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, the currently price of the XRP in the market is 0.79881 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of the XRP Ripple coin. And furthermore, my friends, if you look the changes occur in the XRP, so now the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, changes occur in the XRP is positive. Every change, my friends, from these changes, the one talk is clear that the XRP taken a huge bump from the August, and still XRP is in the jumping mood. So I hope that they will continue this bump for a long time, my friends. Guys, let me show you the price chart of the XRP for more and better understanding. Now you can see here, my friend, is from the price chart. That is the last 1 day price chart, and absolutely today XRP taken a huge pump. Oh, really? That's really a massive jump of the XRP Ripple coin. So, holders, that is the congratulation news for all of you, and hope you're enjoying today because today the XRP taken a huge pump. Hope you like this update video. Kindly subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.